Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your account number, registered mobile, debit card, and PAN, keep them handy. Once done, open the official Indian Bank Netbanking site or app. Make sure the URL or app name matches exactly to avoid phishing. Enter your customer ID or user ID from the welcome kit, then use the first-time login flow. You will receive an OTP on the registered mobile. Enter it promptly. Finally, set a strong login password and choose security questions for future verification. Once logged in, complete your profile and change default credentials to something memorable yet secure. Next, register beneficiaries. Add the name, account number, and correct IFSC code, then choose verification method. Many banks require an OTP or mandate a cooling period. For transfers, pick IMPS for instant, NEFT for scheduled, or RTGS for high-value payments. Confirm transfer amount and purpose, then authenticate via OTP or transaction PIN. Make sure to review beneficiary nicknames. To finalize, review recent transactions and set alerts for debits and credits. Log out and clear browser cache on shared devices. If something goes wrong, like a failed transfer, first check your available balance, beneficiary registration status, and transaction limits. Make sure your mobile number is active to receive OTPs and check for maintenance notifications. If unresolved, contact Indian Bank Customer Care with the transaction reference, error code, timestamp, and device type. They will trace and advise next steps. Keep patience during the investigation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.